Hello, kids! Let us learn English in a fun way. This is Teacher Diane.
This is Teacher Chinky.
Welcome to English 4.
Recall that most singular nouns are made plural by simply putting an S or an ES at the end. There are many different rules regarding pluralization, depending on what letter a noun ends in. The correct spelling of plurals usually depends on what letter the singular noun ends in. Singular nouns ending in S or Z require that you double the S or Z prior to adding the ES for pluralization. Example, gas, gases. If the noun ends with F or FE, the F is often changed to VE before adding the S to form the plural version. Example, wife, wives, wolf, wolves. If a singular noun ends in Y and the letter before the Y is a consonant, change the ending to IES to make the noun plural. Example, city, cities, puppy, puppies. If the singular noun ends in a Y and the letter before the Y is a vowel, simply add an S to make it plural. Example, ray, race, boy, boys. With the unique word volcano, you can apply the standard pluralization for the word that ends in O or not. It's your choice. Both of the following are correct. Volcanoes with an ES and volcanoes with an S. If the singular noun ends in US, the plural ending is frequently I. Example, cactus, cacti, focus, foci. If the singular noun ends in IS, the plural ending is ES. Example, analysis, analysis, ellipsis, ellipsis. If the singular noun ends in ON, the plural ending is A. Example, phenomenon, phenomena, criterion, criteria. Some nouns don't change at all when they are pluralized. Example, sheep, sheep, series, series, species, species, deer, deer. Irregular nouns do not become plural by simply adding S or ES. Their spelling changes when the plural form is used. Example, person, people, die, dice, mouse, mice, louse, lice. Remember that irregular nouns follow no specific rules, so it's best to memorize this or look up the proper pluralization in the dictionary. Now, let us answer the following nouns and give its plural form. Number 1, elf, elves. Number 2, tooth, teeth. Number 3, man. Men. Number 4, story. Stories. Number 5, ox. Oxen. Very good, children.
We hope you enjoyed learning English with us. Till next time, ciao for now!